Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make whipped cream thick. To achieve the perfect consistency, always begin with very cold, heavy cream. It's also crucial to chill your mixing bowl and whisk attachments in the freezer for at least 15 minutes before you start. For the best stability, select a heavy cream with a milk fat content of 36% or higher. These initial steps are fundamental for creating a stable and delightfully thick whipped cream that holds its shape beautifully. Once your cream and equipment are chilled, begin whipping on medium-high speed. Watch carefully, stopping when soft peaks just begin to form. At this point, you can incorporate powdered sugar and a touch of vanilla extract, which not only adds flavor but also helps stabilize the cream. Be mindful not to overwhip, as continuing past stiff peaks will quickly lead to a grainy texture and eventually butter. For an even thicker, more stable whipped cream, consider adding a stabilizer. One effective method is to whisk in 1 teaspoon of cornstarch per cup of heavy cream during the final stages of whipping. Another excellent option is to dissolve a small amount of unflavored gelatin and slowly drizzle it into the cream as it whips. Alternatively, a 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar per cup can also help maintain a firm structure. To keep your thick whipped cream fresh, store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It's best enjoyed within 2 to 3 days to maintain its optimal texture and flavor. For those looking to improve their financial well-being, there's a fantastic resource that can truly change how you think about money. Make sure to check the description below for a link to this book, as well as other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.